Rahman Rahim. Today we will start another topic from the organic chemistry that is called free radical. First we will define say what is the free radical. A free radical is an atom, ions or molecule. A free radical is an atom, molecule or ions that contains one or more electrons in the outermost shell or in the valence shell. I will repeat it. A free radical is defined as the atoms, molecules, or ions which contains one or two electrons in its valence shell or outermost shell, making it highly reactive, unstable and short-lived. These chemical species can exist independently. ये जो यानी जो मेडिकल ये केमिकल स्पीशीज जो हैं they can exist independently and frequently cause damage by altering cellular components such as DNA, protein and lipids. These free radicals can cause damage of DNA, proteins by altering the cellular components. These free radicals, by altering the cellular components, can cause damage such as DNA, proteins, and lipids. Now, see, that is the definition. I will repeat again. A free radical is an atom, molecules, or ions that contains one or more electrons in the outermost shell or in the valence shell. Making it highly reactive, unstable and short-lived. Highly reactive and short-lived. These chemical species can exist independently. By altering cellular components such as DNA, proteins, and lipids. That is the definition. Now, it has some characteristics. The first characteristic is that they are highly reactive. Because they possess unpaired electrons. Free radicals are eager to pair them. यानी वो जो है वो जल्दी उनकी ये मतलब ट्राई होती है कि वो अपने आप को पेयर कर लें अनपेयर्ड से. Free radicals are eager to pair them, leading to a rapid reaction with other molecules. Formation. They are produced by normal metabolic processes. यानी ये जो है ये normal metabolic process जो है normal metabolic process. They are produced by normal metabolic process in the body. For example, mitochondria. For example, mitochondria, enzyme system, enzyme एक हो गया mitochondria, दूसरा enzyme system. Enzyme system are introduced through external sources, like pollution, cigarette smoke, cigarette smoke, and ultraviolet light and UV light. So these are all factors how they are formed in the body by in the mitochondria enzyme system and through external the mechanism through pollution, cigarette smoking, and UV light. Now we will discuss about the formation of ultraviolet, so formation of free radicals. The free radical is an atom molecule that bears an unpaired electrons. ये भी इनकी definition है, and is externally and is extremely reactive, capable of engaging in rapid chain reaction that destabilize other molecules and generate many more free radicals in the body, deactivated by antioxidants, uric acid, certain enzyme activities. Now the free radical reaction. Free radical reaction. Free radical reactions. There are number of important organic reactions. There are number of organic reactions which do not involve electron pair in bond making and breaking. यानी हमारे पास जो है number of organic reactions हैं which do not involve electron pair in bond making and breaking. In these reactions, when a bond is broken, the resulting fragments get one electron each. This type of bond breaking is called homolysis. For example, the chlorine molecule. The chlorine molecule in the presence of Hv light, it is converted into the chloride free radical. They have unpaired electrons. The species thus formed have odd number of electrons. ये जो species हमारे पास जो है ये produce हुई हैं, they have odd number of electrons. They have odd number of electrons. Homolysis reactions are therefore also called free radical reactions. यानी homolytic reactions, they are also called free radical. Reactions. Halogenation of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Halogenation of aliphatic hydrocarbon occur by free radical mechanism. Just we will see this chlorine in the presence of UV light It is converted into the free radicals containing unpaired or odd number of electrons. That process is called initiation. Now this free radical react. Now this free radical chlorine free radical react with another molecule of methane. Methane, and we will get methyl radical. We will get methyl radical plus HCl. This step is called propagation. This step is called propagation. Now the propagation step. This methyl radical, it will react with another chlorine molecule. This methyl radical react with another chlorine molecule. And we will get methyl chloride, and we will get methyl chloride plus chlorine free radical. So that both steps, they are propagation steps. Both steps are propagation steps. After that, the last step is called the termination step. The last step is called in which the two chloride radicals combine with each other to form the chlorine molecule. Same, this methyl radical will combine with each other to form ethane molecule. And methyl radical plus chlorine radical, they will combine to form methyl chloride. So these are the three steps: initiation, propagation, and termination. So that is all about the free radical reaction.